Now for a real-world example of when the HSL color wheel can be a real help to you, let's look at this image of the interior of a rental facility in Yosemite National Park. And let's say you want to take a look at a different color of the carpet. Okay, let's go over here and we'll choose let's say the green button. And we'll just click on that and come get the color dropper. Click on the carpet, but before I do that, I want to expand the color sample size, and let's go ahead and click on that right there, and let's desaturate to make sure we have everything included that we want, which we do. And then we simply take this color wheel and we go around and we say, do we want brown? That looks better than green, I would think. But let's see what other colors might be available. Maybe a little bit of a mauve color to match the chair here and the couch, maybe the cabinetry in the kitchen. Keep going. Maybe more of a purple color would be something to your taste. Hopefully not. And then there's, of course, blue. But I don't know many people that have a blue carpet. I'm kind of leaning towards brown a little bit. Also doesn't show the dirt in a rental unit that you might encounter. Plus it matches the cabinetry in the kitchen and the rockwork on the fireplace and of course the couch and the end table. Now let's say you'd rather have a green felt cover on the pool table. So we'll go ahead and, since green is already taken, I'm going to go ahead and just click on orange. Come get the sample. Click on, that was returning it. Let's click on the pool table. And then we'll desaturate it to make sure we have it covered. And then we'll take the slider and we'll move it over here. And this is what the green felt is going to look like on the pool table. Now ignore the fact that it's also affecting the chair over here and the Folgers coffee up here in the kitchen. I mean, it's gonna capture everything that had that same basic color. And then let's say that you want to change the white balance on the light coming from the exterior. So we'll go ahead and click on blue. And we've already got the color dropper. We'll click on this right here and use that as a sample area. We'll desaturate to see if we have it chosen. The result that you get is not quite as good as what you might expect, but it does help. So we have that right there. Now what's going to really help this is to bring this down, and now you have a more even lighting. It's a little more natural, and if you want to fine tune this, you can go, I think that right there is probably a little bit better, but it certainly looks better than that blue that we had in there. So a couple of real world examples, 3 exactly, of how you can use the HSL slider in DxO PhotoLab.